So basically, we're taught that the Earth is fucking convex, that it's spherical, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. This one is that it's concave, and that it wraps around space. Space is in the middle.
Okay.
And that Earth wraps around it.
Huh.
It's called cellular cosmology. And trip on this, dog. All right,
so trippy.
Yeah,
I'm ready to trip.
Proving conclusively that the Earth curves upward and that we are living on the inner surface of a hollow globe. The sun, moon, and stars all being within the circumference of 25,000 miles. We have here a working model of the hollow globe, or the cellular cosmogony as we call it.
So it goes
on
up.
the inner surface of this great shell. We
and wraps around space, is in the middle.
Over there is the eastern hemisphere.
So the Earth doesn't spin.
Here is the sphere
Space
of the
spins
heavens,
inside of it.
the stars revolving. Contrary to the
inside
usual
of a glass
thought
ball.
that the China is beneath our feet, it is in reality above.
Controlled by an octahedron.
That the surface of the Earth is round, there can be no question.
Everything in existence starts in a 360-degree pattern. Everything.
Right.
It starts
So
from
as
the ball.
above, so below.
And if you apply the mathematics of that idea to atomic orbitals, and then render it in 3 dimensions, here's what you get. Isn't it beautiful? Here's another. And another. And another. In fact, I made a bunch of these, and they're all mesmerizing and beautiful, and isn't the ground state of the hydrogen atom just so cute? And aren't the excited states so majestic? There's so much structure and detail in them, I just love it. You can see patterns in the orbitals, and you can get a sense that they actually are orbitals. I mean, something is orbiting. Okay, so I do have to be clear. The dots don't each represent a separate electron. The whole collection represents the wave function of a single electron, and the individual dots represent all the places that electron could be. A higher density of dots means a higher probability of the electron being there. The bigger orbitals are the ones with higher energies, because electrons with more energy are more likely to be far away from the nucleus. The motion of the dots is showing the flow of the wave function, and does correspond to an extent with its actual angular momentum, though they're not electron trajectories.
I know we have still not shattered that highest and hardest glass ceiling, but someday someone will, and hopefully sooner than we might think right now. Although we weren't able to shatter that highest, hardest glass ceiling this time, thanks to you, it's got about 18 million cracks in it. Hard to see tonight, but we are all standing under a glass ceiling right now. And the light is shining through like never before, filling us all with the hope and the sure knowledge that the path will be a little easier next time.
Why do you think that Truman has never come close to discovering the true nature of his world until now?
We accept the reality of the world with which we're presented,
Look what happens as it gets near the bottom.
Look how it looks like it's attracted to the bottom. So it curves. So cool.
Why do you think that Truman has never come close to discovering the true nature of his world until now?
We accept the reality of the world with which we're presented.
You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.